In the current hiring landscape, technical recruiters are rarely the first ones to review a GitHub profile. Before a human looks at your pinned projects, LLM-based recruitment bots conduct an automated first pass. This animated diagram shows how a profile is ingested. While custom badges and polished layouts are effective for human viewers, an AI scanner strips away the visual layer, parsing your repositories as raw JSON data and unformatted text strings. If your profile structure is not machine-readable, the scanner cannot extract your technical capability. When a scraper encounters an unstructured repository, it fails to find the required signals to pass your profile to the next stage. This creates a disconnect. A portfolio designed strictly for aesthetic appeal fails to provide the specific data tokens an algorithm needs to validate your technical fit. To bridge this gap, we have to look at how these bots process information. Modern talent acquisition systems use Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, to analyze your codebase for context rather than just searching for keywords. A RAG agent extracts metadata, targeting GitHub topics, doc strings, and commit history, funneling them into the scanner. It prioritizes configuration files like package.json or pyproject.toml, reading dependency lists directly to calculate a compatibility score based on frameworks actually used in production. Because the AI ignores self-reported skills in your bio, your rank is determined strictly by what your raw code and configuration files can prove. We can optimize for this by building a semantic README. This structure maintains natural language for the human recruiter while providing high-density technical data for the initial AI parser. Compare these two summaries. On the left is a human-centric project overview. On the right is a version that explicitly lists the CI/CD pipeline, technologies, and business impact. Notice how the standard's relevance score spikes when it detects structured technical descriptions. Consider how you would optimize this. A script to pull prices from Amazon. If a data engineering bot is scanning your profile, how do you make this machine readable? The optimized version identifies the specific stack, a Python-based extraction pipeline using Beautiful Soup, with payloads stored in AWS S3 and automated via GitHub Actions. These are the tokens the scraper is looking for. In this architecture, the words in your README are no longer just descriptions. They function as weighted data points that define your relevance score. However, even a perfect README can be buried by noise. Retaining dozens of old or unfinished repositories dilutes your profile, making it harder for an algorithm to determine your primary focus. Archiving irrelevant projects reduces the noise in your network. This leaves a clustered set of high-impact repositories that use GitHub topics as a standardized tagging system, which AI agents use to categorize your role. Your pinned repositories act as the primary context window for the AI. As you shift these pins and their associated tags, the algorithm recategorizes your profile from a generalist to a specific specialist, like a cloud engineer. Organizing your repository hierarchy allows you to dictate how the algorithm interprets your professional value. As RAG-based systems become the industry standard, recruitment is shifting toward autonomous talent sourcing agents. These tools are designed to proactively crawl codebases to find specific architectural matches. In a sea of unstructured profiles, these agents can instantly identify a candidate who provides clear, machine-readable signals. Treating your GitHub as structured data ensures your profile remains visible as these autonomous tools become more prevalent. To implement this immediately, follow these 5 steps. Transition to semantic READMEs, audit your configuration files, archive old projects, apply deliberate GitHub topics, and curate your pinned repositories. Your portfolio is a database. By architecting for algorithms, you ensure your technical profile is visible to the systems making the hiring decisions.